Let's talk about how to pour the perfect wax seal. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a regular sized hot glue gun on the low setting, but you can still use this technique using a melting spoon and a candle. Now that your wax is hot, but not too hot, it's time to pour. And the secret is to pour close to the surface. And while it's not as TikTok or Instagram worthy, it does create a better result overall. Let me prove it to you. So I'm going to place my stamp down. I'm placing it down fairly quickly, nice and firm. And when it's fully cooled, I'm going to reveal the final result. And there you have a very clean, beautiful, easy to see image. But let's contrast that, just to prove my point, with the more dramatic, the more aesthetic, very long pour. Now you can already see all of the rippling. That happens because the wax is cooling on the way down, and so all that wax is at different temperatures, creating a lot of different colors, a lot of different lines and striping in it. And unfortunately, as you can see, it shows up in your final result. It's not something that you can stamp away. Once that striping is in there, it's there to stay. And while this is more obvious with a metallic wax like this one, it can show up in your solid colors, more matte style wax as well. Now let's contrast this with this same exact stamper, just a few moments apart, but this design is so much easier to see. All of the lines are very crisp. You can really tell what the design is. So that is why I recommend pouring super low to the surface. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention that kind of goes along with this, I see this happen a lot where people slowly place down their stamper. Now, this is exaggerated just for effect, but I wanted you to kind of see what I mean. You have a little bit of wiggle room to readjust, but not a whole lot. So if you're placing down your stamper, once again, we're going to have a difference in cooling time, and you can see how I've created those ripples, even though my wax was poured very smooth. So not a terrible thing, it's still beautiful, but it does affect your overall result. For more tips and tricks to make beautiful wax seals from different tools and applications, and even some creative ideas for ways to use them, be sure to check out other videos in the description, and don't forget to subscribe on your way there. And until next time, happy stamping!